This is a Scotch egg, but it's not just any Scotch egg. We're going to flavour it with some beautiful chorizo and some spices, and then we're going to make sure we get that egg just perfect so we have a beautiful runny yolk. So without further ado, here's everything you need. So first things first, we're going to start with our eggs. I'm going to make 6 Scotch eggs today, so I'll take 6 eggs and we're going to place them into a pan of boiling water. We're going to cook these eggs for exactly 6 minutes and then remove them from the water and plunge them into some ice cold water. This will do 2 things. It'll help shock the egg and make the shell easier to peel away, and it will also stop the cooking to ensure we have got that runny yolk. If you don't want a runny yolk for your eggs, cook them for between 10 to 12 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. So we'll leave our eggs to one side to cool down completely while we move on to making our filling. Now, as I said before, I'm making 6 Scotch eggs, so we want 75 grams of meat per egg. So if you're using just sausage meat, that'll be 450 grams if you want to make plain sausage meat Scotch eggs. But because I'm adding some chorizo, I'm doing 350 grams of sausage meat and 100 grams of chorizo. So I'm going to place the sausage meat into a mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to dice up the chorizo nice and small, and we're going to add that straight into the bowl. And next, we're going to enhance those chorizo seasonings a little bit by adding a little bit extra. So I've got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, that's just going to go straight in, followed by half a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And then you want to get in there and mix all those ingredients together until they're all fully incorporated and nicely combined. And once mixed, it should look something like this. Now we can divide the mixture into 6 equal sized pieces, or 6 75 gram pieces. Make sure your hands are really clean, and then just wet them with a little bit of cold water, and that just stops them from sticking when you roll them into balls. Just makes your life a little bit easier. There we go, 1. Leave them to one side, wash your hands, have a good clean down, and then we're going to peel the eggs. So when peeling the eggs, you just want to gently break the shells. And remember, it's not hard boiled, so you have to be really gentle with this. I should have probably done a couple extra eggs for a security measure, because chances are 1 or 2 of these might break. And then you should be able to just peel it away nice and easily. Okay, 1 down, 5 to go. So now we can wrap our eggs in the sausage meat mixture. So simply take 1 piece of your mixture, wet your hands slightly and flatten it out. Then place the egg in the center and gently wrap it around the egg until it's nice and evenly coated. So next we can breadcrumb our Scotch egg. So I've got some plain or all-purpose flour, some beaten eggs and some breadcrumbs. So first we're going to take our Scotch egg, dust it in the flour till it's evenly coated, then into the egg, and finally into the breadcrumbs. Just roll it around until it's evenly coated all over, and repeat until they're all done. Next, in a pan that's suitable for deep frying, fill it with an oil that is also suitable for deep frying. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could also use vegetable oil as well. Fill it halfway, and then we're going to heat it to around 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's hot, place in 1 or 2 of your Scotch eggs. You'll need to do this in batches and cook for exactly 8 minutes. Once cooked and beautifully golden, remove it from the oil and place it onto a cooling rack, over a tray or onto a plate lined with kitchen paper. Repeat until you've cooked all of your Scotch eggs. And now it's the moment of truth. We're going to cut into one and see what it's like inside. So there you have it, the beautiful runny yolk chorizo Scotch egg. I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. So good.